Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and shout out to the Brooks team for sending this pair my way. Today we're going to be covering the Brook Chariots and this is in the Beat Moonbeam colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and styling segment. If you're joining us for the first time, thanks so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we're going to be talking about a brand new silhouette that we have yet to cover on the channel. These are the Brook Chariots. So we'll go through the overview of these, talk about size and fit, followed by how I style this really beautiful fall colorway. Then we'll conclude with how much these are going for on the retail market and where you're going to pair. All right, let's jump right into it. As far as Brooks go, I feel like this is such an amazing lifestyle silhouette. The look and feel of it just is something that's easy to style, looks great on foot, and this color combination honestly is perfect for fall. As far as the specific silhouette, this actually originally released back in 1982, so this has been around for quite some time, but it's being brought back, given a new life essentially as that front-facing lifestyle sneaker. It was originally one of the first running stability shoes in the Brooks line, which is kind of crazy to think because that was so long ago, and we're back at it with this lovely, just iconic pair that really looks very vintage in look and appeal. But as far as the quality goes, I love the materials that they used on this one. So we've just got a nice simple white upper here that's nice and breathable for the toe box region. And then as far as the suede texture goes, this is a lovely kind of light lavender hue for the suede texture. I don't have a lot of sneakers with this color scheme, so I was really excited when they sent me this pair just because it's such a good color combination. As far as this like light purple suede, we've got this nice light brown hue on top of that, and then a nice beet purple color scheme, which really ties it all together. And it's very subtle, the beetroot tone that you're getting on the eyelets here. And then the laces are just a nice simple white tone and finish. As far as the tongue goes, we've got a nice thin tongue here. We've got the Brooks branding, and it's a nylon tongue. It starts off, majority of the bottom half of it is in this white finish, and then the upper half is in that light tan color scheme, and then it's outlined nicely in that beet color scheme. So let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side panels. Alright, so wrapping around to the side panels, again, same medial and lateral color blocking color scheme that we've got here with that light tan suede that's overlaying on the light purplish hue. And as we work our way to the back, this is where we're seeing some nice Brooks branding in white on top of the light brown, and then the same color combination on the lateral side. The interior's got some Brooks branding and the insole is white, and then we've got more of this purple beet color scheme for the nice nice color on the collar. As far as the back of the heel, we're getting more of that beat tone as well on that nice smooth suede. And then as far as the outsole and midsole, we're getting a nice just white and beat color scheme here with this nice stripe. And then the outsole is completely covered in that beat purple colorway. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. As far as size and fit goes, I feel like these fit me to a T perfectly, went true to size on this one. Again, I do have high arched, narrow feet, so do take that into consideration. If you do have wider, flatter feet, it could vary apart from my own just because we have different types of feet. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, I think this is such a great color combination for the fall time. I love this purple, deep kind of beetroot color scheme. I don't have a lot of purple hues in this exact tone, which I love. Again, with that light lavender, bringing it together with the light tan. So I really wanted to play off of the color blocking of the sneaker specifically. So for the first look, I decided to wear a sweater that actually kind of matches randomly the identical kind of light purple hue of this suede texture. Couldn't believe that I had the exact color in my closet. And then for the bottoms, I just wore a nice burgundy maroon toned skirt to kind of match that beet purple hue.
Even if I climb 100 feet, I might fall. Before I jump off, dive in the oasis, a mirage to whatever's in this place, yeah. I accept illusions and they might be in my head. ChatGPT told me that I'm better off dead, so dead. She won't find replacements. She said use your head, I'm in your imagination instead. I don't ever listen though.
Then for the second look, I went with some simple just cream pants. I think that cream will go quite nicely with this color scheme. And then for the top, I wore a just simple beige sweater that I tied around a maroon sweater. I think that maroon really just plays quite nicely as well off of this exact color scheme.
And she said, tell me what's inside your heart. We don't want to start a cult for two. Tell me if it's all facade, cause the flowers here still bloom. Tell me what's inside your head. We don't want nobody dead in here. Tell me what you're gonna do before the flowers here still bloom. All of this is real. Could you see my scars getting?
And for the last and final look, I wore a maroon vest and then I tied a nice just brown sweater around that. And then for the bottoms, I wore some leopard print pants. So don't feel afraid to play around with some black and brown hues with this. I think that this sneaker has some nice neutral tones, so it's really easy to style.
On the surface, all our layers are getting peeled. We see through rose-colored lenses, and my soul's in suspension. I'm trying to cut through all this tension, long distance calling through extensions. My love for you grew when you disappeared. Is that a magic trick? I want you close when you're not here, just to scratch the itch on my back. Cause I want you back in my room, on my bed, flowers blooming in my head. She won't find replacements.
It is my birthday. I feel that breeze run over my head, sweat all over my bed, pulling out and it's not there. All of a sudden you gonna tell another story that I shouldn't have to worry. I don't know why you do it to me. You can take, you can take, you can take, you can take my love if you want it. If you break, if you break, if you break, if you break my heart, would you do it to me? Delusion, how you turn around and make love. Delusion.
out the retail on these. So these are currently going for $120. You can find these on the Brooks website as well as other Brooks retailers. I've even seen these, I feel like, at Free People. This is a great just lifestyle sneaker in general. And again, if you're looking for an amazing different colorway for the fall, this is a sneaker that you'll definitely have to try on foot. All right, that is it for this unboxing and styling segment. Again, if you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next episode.